Yo friends, what is up? Today we're going to be talking about the number one thing that's been happening in Gacha Life recently. I'm pretty sure you guys have heard about it. I can't say it because I'm a little kid, but it starts with like the S word, you know what I mean? But this is getting way out of hand, and the community's trying their best to get rid of this, but it's just not working. And because the editing apps are ruining this, and so I don't think we can do anything else to protect our community, because this is just gonna keep happening until Looney just gives up on trying to try and fix this. I think he's probably going to give up soon if this keeps happening. Our Gacha community is falling apart because of this. If little kids are watching this, I can't show anything about it because I don't want them to grow up knowing what that word is. But we need to put an end to this because it's destroying our community. I mean, seriously, what is wrong with you people who do this? You can't do it for entertainment. Nobody gonna like that. Entertainment. That kind of entertainment is unacceptable. And really disgusting as well. So I either say stop or many little kids' minds are going to always be on that, like mine has. I'm already kidding, my own life is already falling apart because of that. I don't want anything else happening to the rest of the kids. So we need to put an end to this or the Gacha community will fall apart. Some of you don't think this is a bad thing, which it is actually, because this is probably the most popular game other than Roblox. This has been worked on a lot, and I'm not gonna let this game go to waste. Looney worked really hard on these games, and seeing this game fall apart, seeing the games fall apart, is just sad to me. He's spent day and night trying to work on new games for everybody to be entertained, but if this keeps happening, he might stop doing what he likes to. And if he does, and there's no way we're gonna get him to do anymore. We can't keep doing this. Do you really think these videos are for entertainment? You are simply destroying the Gacha community if you're doing this. You're simply destroying it. This is really bad. Don't any of you all know that? Some Gacha tubers have left the Gacha community because of this, including popular ones. I don't believe Lila Swirl is here anymore, but if she still is, I hope she stays with us. We need more people to help stop this madness. This is getting way out of hand. And we have to stop this. This is not okay. Do any of y'all who made this freaking content know that you're crushing this community? This community was made for entertainment, not for freaking bad stuff. This is so out of hand. And even I'm about to quit too. But before I quit, I'm gonna need to fix this. That's before it gets too out of hand. This is is really bad. And if we don't stop it soon, this is going to kill this community. Our community is going to die, and so is all the videos. All the videos that people who have actually made for entertainment, and not for like bad things, and all their hard work would be gone if this community is crushed. It always is crushed enough. If we keep crushing it by this content, our communities are going to die. Every single one of them. Including the Roblox community, and other game communities I know. We are killing the communities by this, especially Gacha. Gacha is getting killed by this. To save the Gacha community, please report all the sexual content. Our community is dying, and if you report all the sexual content, we might be able to save our community. Hashtag save the Gacha community. Please. Share this to all the Gacha communities you know. So we can get more people to stop this madness. Thank you for watching. Bye, friends. Goodbye, friends. I'll see you soon. Or never.